You scream down the other end.
No. That doesn't excite me. I don't know if you should actually be doing this in a quiet neighbourhood.
It's not quiet anymore. It's not quiet anymore.
Oh, who lit off?
You guys like
Yeah.